Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Till now we have discussed many commands. Today we'll discuss how to not allow a space from a particular disk. Let me show you the example. Like we are having PBS, we are having two disks SDB and SDC. BGS is having a space of 156 MB free, 140 from SDB and 16 from SDC. Now I want to create a file system, okay, but my disk is having some problem. So I don't want to use this disk anymore. Okay. So what I'll do, pvchange -x and /dev SDC. Okay. It's saying physical volume SDC change, 1 physical volume change, 0 physical volume not change. Okay. PVS. So earlier attribute was AAA available, and this is U. Okay, you're able to see U here is unavailable. Now my VGS is also having 156 GB space, but if I'm going to create a LV more than 144 MB, it will won't work because 140 MB is free on this disk and 16 is free on this disk. But as we have deactivated this disk, it will won't consume this 16 MB remaining. So what we'll do, LV create -L 145 MB -n test VG slow backup. See, rounding up size of the physical extent is 148 MB. Okay, insufficient space, 37 extent needed, but only 35 is available. So like I have deactivated my physical disk, what will I do? I will activate it again. pvchange -x. Earlier I have given no, now I will give yes to /dev SDC. It got changed. If I do PVS again, it got activated attributes. Okay. Now I am executing the same command. Let's see. It's got created LVSC. So that's how you can restrict a disk, physical disk, not to use this disk, use some other disk. Let me run the history command. So what we did, pvchange -x known SDC. Then we were not able to create. Again we have activated pvchange -xy SDC and we were able to create. So that's how using a attribute change you can use, or you can force not to use that disk, particular disk, in a physical manner. Okay, so that's all how to activate or deactivate physical disk in LVM, so we can use in a system or not. Okay, that's all for today's video. Keep practicing. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.